Hello, Gaby again. So you remember the last time we talked about adjectives and different words. We made some sentences, and this is the other book. So a sentence, a statement or an affirmation, a question, and an exclamation. Okay? We talked about the nouns. A noun can be a person, a place, or a thing, an object. And we can have special names, can have people, special names, first and last name. We can have the days of the week. We can have the month. And we can also have the plural. Okay, spider, spiders, bench, benches, glass, glasses, 1 foot, 2 feet. And what is a verb? Well, a verb is a word that shows action. Okay, Tam sings a song. What does he do? He sings a song. Some verbs tell about now, so we add an S to these verbs. Tam puts on her hat. It's always about, now or every day. Okay, he eats chocolate every day, so I'm adding an S. And sometimes when we talk about the past, we can add ed. We saw that. Dan looked for his dog. Okay, so where is a verb here? Rick bakes a cake. What does he do? He bakes. Bakes is a verb. Meg picked the plates. Picked. Meg, what did she do? She picked the plates. You eat on the plate. Jill helped them too, also. Jill, what did he do? He helped these people, them, too. She takes the spoons out. What does she do? Well, what is she doing? Because it's not the past here. It's not the past. This is the past. She did that yesterday. Meg picked the plates. Jill helped them. That was yesterday, not today. But Rick bakes a cake. We can do that now. Okay. She takes the spoons out. She can do it now. We'll see there is another tense for now. But for the time being, we can just say this is a present. Okay. We jump up and down, up, down, up, down. We jump up and down. And we can do that now. Okay, that's a verb. Well, but we have other verbs. Is and are, was and were. Be careful, were. The girl is happy. The two girls are happy. Was and were tell about the past. I was in France yesterday. You were in France yesterday. Okay? So anyway, look. That is a singular, one person. That is a plural, two persons. But we can also use it for you. Okay? So she is, he is, it is. And we can say you are, we are, they are. Okay, the same with was and were. Was is singular and were is plural. So we use was to tell about one person or a thing. My cat was lost. I can say my cats were lost. Use were to tell about more than one. That means many. So I can say the bird was fed. We gave him money. We gave him food, sorry. And the birds were fed. Okay. So they had food. So the birds were fed. They had food. And we can also say the bird was fed. Were, was. Write is, are, was, or were to complete each sentence. Jim is with Nick. Mom and Dad were in the truck. Jan was on her way. She was going somewhere. She was on her way. My pals, I don't like this word. My friends, Friends. My friends are late. We are happy. Okay? And we're going to see, well, the verbs, well, has and have. Let's say, I have a candy. And she has a candy. Okay? So we are on page 7. Okay? So there's a lot of verbs. But I think it's important to go through that. You have a nice evening. I'll try to, actually, let me check my schedule tomorrow. Maybe a bit hard. But let's see, I'll try my best. You have a nice evening and I'll talk to you soon, very soon. Bye-bye.